Dear gastro-pilgrims, what better way to get a feel for local Spanish cuisine than eating at truck stop restaurants? Today, in the town of Peñalba, in the region of Aragón, I've got my eye on the Alubias con chorizo. White beans with chorizo sausage, and this one was hearty and delicious, and luckily I've gained all the inside knowledge on how to precisely replicate these no-fuss, unpretentious, oh-so-Spanish beans with chorizo. These white beans have been soaked overnight in water. Some Spanish chorizo, the type flavoured with pimentón, not chilies, so mild and preferably raw, uncured, as this type is designed for cooking rather than sliced and eaten cold as is. There's a link below for the type of chorizo you'll need. Some cured pork belly, a ham bone if available, no worries if not. Olive oil, some tomato puree, here from a can or freshly grated. Here's the Spanish pimentón pepper powder, sweet paprika is fine, I'll leave a link below. A strip of red pepper, leek, carrot, onion and a bay leaf. So the first step is to get the beans underway, well in advance. A good 2 hours of gentle simmering with the bone, carrot, leek, onion, bay leaves, a couple of cloves of garlic and the strip of red pepper. All covered with water and allowed to simmer until just about done. These took 2 hours. Yours may take longer or less time, so keep checking after an hour or so. Plenty of time then to prepare the sofrito, the thick, flavourful vegetable base so typical of Spanish cookery. A whole onion and 2 cloves of garlic are finely chopped. And the onion is gently sweated in olive oil, seasoning as you go. The garlic, as usual, is added a little later. And after a while in goes the tomato, and this is cooked down patiently and gently until quite thick and almost jammy. A pinch, perhaps a teaspoon of red pepper powder, pimentón, and a couple of minutes later the meats. Stir everything for a few minutes and set the pan aside. Once the beans are done, the vegetables are not discarded but pureed to be used as a thickener. A little stock will help. So add the alubias to the sofrito and some vegetable puree, as much as you consider appropriate. I'm not using all mine. Gently heat all this for 20 minutes or so, checking the seasoning. Listo, ready. Dare I say that these were even better than the roadside ones in Peñalba, a case of standing on the shoulder of giants or the student surpassing the master. So let me know if you're inspired to give this hearty dish a try, and if this is the sort of no-frills, genuine fare that you enjoy, do drop me a like and subscribe to keep up to date with my efforts to catalogue all the local regional classics from France, Spain and Portugal. Buen appetito y hasta pronto.